Every day, there are wonderful sewing machines that are abandoned, cast aside, and forgotten. These machines have been loved and adored and want to do nothing but help craft spectacular fabric creations. But there is a way you can help. The Quilting Bee is holding a previously loved machine sale. Our certified technicians have taken in these machines, serviced them, and made them ready to find their new forever home. So come by August 1st through 13th and adopt one of these amazing sewing machines, and in the meantime, help make the world a better, brighter place.